Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn Urdu Faster. In our previous lesson, we had covered what to call our immediate family members and grandparents, grandchildren. Now, let's move into extended family members. Herein, father's elder brother, which you called uncle generally, but in Urdu language, it's called Taaya. Taaya. Repeat after me. Taaya. Taaya. And your father's younger brother in Urdu called Chaacha. Chaacha. Repeat after me. Chaacha. Chaacha. So your father's elder brother is your Taaya and your father's younger brother is your Chaacha. Now come to father's sister, that is your aunt or you call auntie, but in Urdu it's called Phuppo. Phuppo. Repeat after me. Phuppo. Next time when you meet with your aunt, use this Urdu term. She would definitely love this. Now, there is one more beautiful thing is in Urdu language that your mother's brother, which you generally say uncle, but in Urdu language there is a specific name for him. Your mother's brother in Urdu is called Maamu. Maamu. Yes, you heard it right. He is your Maamu. Repeat after me. Maamu. Generally, you say aunt or auntie to your mother's sister too, but in Urdu, there's a specific word for your mother's sister, which in Urdu called Khaala. Khaala. Repeat after me. Khaala. I believe that in today's session you will better understand what to call extended family members in Urdu language. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section and I will definitely respond back each of you. So keep learning Urdu language. Khuda Hafiz.